Hi. Wait.
Hi.
Hello. Okay. Where are you? I cannot see you. Oh,
Hello.
hello. What
Hello.
is your name? What is your name? Can you say my
Chicken.
name? My name is. What is your name? Oops. And you're here, teacher.
Cô giáo ở trường đấy
My
hả?
name is Lam.
Oh,
Có to luôn.
My name is Phúc Lam.
oh. Your name is?
Lam.
Oh, Wam. Is it right? Wam? Oh, okay. So my
Okay.
name is Teacher Leia. Okay. Nice to meet you. Okay. So, can you do this? Can you do this? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Okay. So, how are you? Okay. How are how are you?
Bạn khỏe không?
Okay. How are you?
How
Okay.
are you mà? Sao con nói?
Nói gì?
Ủa, how are
Khỏe.
you?
Khỏe sao?
Khỏe thì nói... À,
Ah,
nói
are
sao? Thì
you
ở trường
feel
đó, I
good?
thank you gì đó.
Okay. Are you feel good? Good or no?
Good.
Ah,
Good.
good. Okay. So how about do you feel happy tonight? Okay.
Bạn có cảm thấy hạnh phúc tối nay không?
Okay. Happy? Happy? Do you feel happy or no? Happy?
Happy.
Oh, wow. Teacher is happy too because you are happy. Okay. So, are you ready to our lesson tonight? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, listen to teacher in eyes to teacher. Okay. So now we have here new lesson in what can you see in the picture? What is this?
It's
What
an
is
apple.
apple? Do you like apple? Do you like?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay. Let's count the apple. Okay. So, one. What's next? What is
Two.
two?
Three. Four. Five. Six.
Six. Can you
Six.
say? Can you say six? Six. Six. Okay, go. Say six.
Six.
Okay. How about this one? It's
It's seven.
yes, we have seven apple. Okay. So what is the color of the apple? Color.
It's green.
Yes, it is red apple. Okay. How about what is the color of the tree? This one. What is the color of these leaves? What is the color? This one. Color.
It. It's
Color.
a red.
Oh, yeah. How about the leaves? Okay. Teacher will use translator. What is the color of the leaves? Okay.
Màu lá cây là gì?
Okay. What is the color of the leaves? This one. This. Oh, I'm sorry.
Green.
Yeah, it's color green. Okay, do you like color green? Do you like color green? What
Yes.
Yes.
I do.
Okay, very good. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? Okay, teacher will use this. What is your favorite color?
Màu yêu thích của bạn là gì?
What is your favorite color? It's color.
Blue.
Oh, blue.
Hello.
You like blue. Can you say I like blue?
Blue.
You say I like
I like blue.
Yes, very good. Okay. So teacher will ask, is this boy or girl? Is that
Boy.
Yeah, it's boy. Very good. What is the color of his shirt?
It's orange.
Oh, what? Its color?
It's orange.
Oh, yeah. Its color red. The color is red. What is the color of your shirt? Yours.
It's brown.
Brown. Okay, can you say the color of my shirt? The
color of my
of my
shoe
shirt is
is brown.
brown. Okay, can you say brown?
Brown.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's now move to the next one. Okay. Okay. What grade are you in? Okay. What grade are you? Is it grade 1, 2, or 3?
Lớp mấy có phải lớp 1 không?
Okay.
Bạn học lớp mấy?
Lớp
Là lớp 1, 2 hay 3?
Okay. What grade are you? Grade?
Two.
Grade 2. So you are grade 2? Yes or no?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. You can say, I am grade 2.
I am green two.
Wow. Very good. Okay. So, teacher will gonna move the... Okay, teacher out. Let's now move, keep that. Let's learn some words in play. Okay. What is this? What is this?
It's a banana.
It's a banana. Do you like banana?
No, it is.
You don't like banana. What is the color of banana? What is the
Yellow.
yellow? Okay. What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit?
Lớp 3. Em học lớp
Okay.
mấy? Là lớp
Now, what is your favorite
Đá
food?
yêu thích của bạn là gì?
Okay. What is your answer? What is your favorite food? A fruit. It?
Eat orange.
Oh, orange? Orange? Yes or no? Okay. Yes. Okay. Can you say my favorite fruit? My favorite fruit.
My
Favorite
favorite fruit
is
is
orange.
orange.
Oh, wow. Okay. So, let's count how many kids in the picture. You count. How many kids in the picture? There are. Okay. How many kids in the picture? Okay. You listen.
Có bao nhiêu đứa trẻ trong bức tranh?
Okay. How many kids? You count.
Three.
3. Okay. How many girls are there?
Silver.
Two girls
Silver.
and one.
One boy.
Yeah.
One
Yes.
boy.
Very good. There are 2 girls and 1 boy. Okay, teacher will ask you, are you boy or girl? Are you boy or girl?
Boy.
Yeah. How about teacher? Is teacher girl or boy?
Girl.
Yeah, teacher is girl. Can you say, I am a boy? I am a boy.
I am a boy.
Okay, and I am a girl. Very good. Okay. So teacher will ask you if you can read this. Can you read this? Can you read? Do you know how to read words? Okay, teacher will use translator. Can you read the word? Okay, you listen.
Bạn có thể đọc các từ không?
Đọc các.
Okay. Can you read that? Or no? Do you know how to read? Also, maybe you don't know. You can't? No?
You can. No.
Okay, so teacher know that. Maybe he can't read that. Okay, let's move here. Oh, wow. Is this a girl or a boy?
A boy.
A boy. What is the boy? His clothes color. Color
It's blue.
blue. Very good. Can you say homework? Say homework.
Homework.
Okay. So this is the word homework. Okay, let's wait. Okay, can you hear me? Oh, maybe teacher have a problem. Wait. Okay, let's search the word. Okay, this is the word homework.
Bài tập về nhà.
You know this?
Bài tập về nhà.
Oh, yeah. This is homework.
Về nhà.
Say the word homework.
Homework.
Yes. Follow teacher. Wait, sorry.
Follow
Homework.
teacher.
Yes.
Homework.
Okay, you clap. Homework.
Homework.
Okay, you do this.
Homework.
You do this, clap. You clap. Homework.
Homework.
Okay, use this.
Homework.
Yeah, homework. In the front. Homework.
Homework.
Okay, in the side.
Homework.
Homework. Very good. Okay.
Homework.
Yes. Okay. Teacher will ask you this question. Do you answer your homework? Okay. Okay, you listen.
Bạn đã làm bài tập về nhà chưa?
You answer your homework? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. You can
Bạn đã
say,
làm bài tập về nhà.
I answer my homework. I answer my homework. Okay. You say this. I answered my homework.
Tôi làm bài tập về nhà. Tôi đã làm bài tập về nhà của
Okay.
mình.
Okay.
Tôi
You follow teacher. I answered my homework.
homework.
Yes. Okay. You say the word faster a little bit. I answered my homework. I answered my homework. Okay.
Homework.
Yes. Okay. So let's back to our book. Okay. So can you read this? I am doing. Okay. Doing. Very good. My homework.
Homework.
Okay, again. Okay, let's erase the line. Again. I am doing. Do. You say the word do. Okay. Doing. Okay. So my homework. Yes. Okay. You say the word or the sentence faster a little bit. I am doing my homework.
I am children.
My
My
homework.
my homework.
Okay, so let's search the meaning. Wait to teacher. I am doing my homework. Okay, in Vietnamese,
Tôi
Tôi đang làm bài tập về nhà.
yeah, yeah, that is, I am doing my homework. Okay, okay, let's now move to the other page. What is this? What is that? Can you say math? Math.
Mom.
Okay. Okay, let's clap and say the word math.
Mom.
Okay. You say math,
Mom.
math,
Mom.
math.
Mom.
Okay. Okay, the word, it should be look at the mouth of teacher. Look them out. Math, math. Go. Math.
Mom.
Yeah. Okay, let's search the word math. Okay.
Mom.
Okay, read the teacher.
Mom.
Yes, very good. This is math. In English,
Math,
Toán.
math,
Toán.
okay,
Math.
you say
Math.
math. Yeah. Okay. Do you know?
Math.
Okay. Do you know what is math? Do you know what is math?
Bạn có biết toán học là gì?
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. It is math is a number.
Number.
Yeah, math is
Toán.
a number.
Con số.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I want you to let's count
Một con số.
together 1 to 10.
One.
Okay. Let's count together 1 to 10. Okay, let's
Hãy
count.
đến one, two,
Okay. 1,
one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10.
yes, very good. Okay, can you say again? 6, 6.
Six.
Okay. This is 6. You listen.
6,
6.
Six.
Okay.
6,
6.
Six.
Yes. Wow. Very good. Okay. Let's go back. Okay. Okay. Teacher will ask, is this girl or a boy?
Girl.
A girl. Wow. Okay. Can you share to teacher? What is the color of these numbers? As you can see, what is the color? You can say, I can see yellow.
Green.
Okay,
Yellow. Green.
go.
Purple. Orange.
What else? What is, yeah. Okay, how about this one? What color is this? What color is that? Red. Okay. So, red. That is color red. Very good. And let's now read the sentence. Can you say moth? Moth.
Moth.
Moth
Moth.
is
Is
not, say the word not. Not.
not.
Very good.
Not.
Very good. How about easy? Easy.
How about easy?
Yeah, very good. Again, let's read again slowly. Moth. Moth
Moth.
is
Moth.
is
Is
not
not
easy.
easy.
Okay. So read it faster a little bit. Go. Math is not easy.
Math is not
Easy. Okay.
math is
Yeah. Okay, teacher will search the meaning. Math is not easy. Okay, in Vietnamese,
Toán học không dễ.
right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Is math? Yes. Okay. Do you like math? Do you like math? Okay. Teacher will ask you about this.
Bạn có thích toán học không?
Yes.
Do you like math? Yes
Yes.
or no? Oh, wow.
I
Okay. Can you say, yes, I do, teacher?
Gì vậy? Con đi lên cái đường vậy hả? Con không nghe gì?
Okay. You say, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, very good. Okay. We're done now. Had to say we're done now, and hope that you book teacher and we will gonna teacher will gonna teach you. Okay, wait. We are done now. Hope you book teacher so that I will guide you and teach you for you to be good in English. Okay, you listen. You listen.
Chúng ta đã học xong
Chúng ta đã
rồi.
xong rồi. Hy vọng bạn đặt lịch với giáo viên để tôi có thể hướng dẫn và dạy bạn, giúp bạn giỏi tiếng Anh.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay. Goodbye. See you.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you again.
Yes. Good night.